Looking to upgrade your car audio without breaking the bank? The Blaupunkt three-way coaxial speakers offer a perfect blend of power and clarity that transforms your driving soundtrack. With 100 watts peak power and a 4 ohm impedance, these 6.5-inch speakers deliver the punch and precision your stereo deserves. I installed these speakers recently, and the difference was immediate. The 86 decibels sensitivity means they respond quickly to your music's nuances, making every beat and lyric pop. Whether you're into rock, hip-hop, or podcasts, the sound stays crisp and clear. The 0.75-inch high-quality voice coil ensures durability and consistent performance, even during long drives. Installation was straightforward, no need for professional help. After just a few minutes, my car stereo sounded noticeably richer and fuller. The speakers handle a broad frequency range from 90 Hz to 20 kHz, so bass lines hit hard without distortion, and highs stay bright without harshness. This makes them ideal for everyday use, whether you're cruising the city or hitting the highway. If you want a reliable upgrade that delivers real audio improvement, Blaupunkt's three-way coaxial speakers are worth a look. They come with grills and accessories to fit seamlessly into your car's interior. Plus, their robust build means you get lasting quality for your investment. Ready to bring your car's sound system to life? Try the Blaupunkt three-way coaxial speakers when you're ready for clear, powerful audio that makes every drive more enjoyable.